Hot summers and cold winters in Los Angeles are almost always guaranteed, hence the need to adequately prepare your home or commercial building for the hot weather in summer and cold weather in winter. One of the most effective ways of heating or cooling your Los Angeles home is by installing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, which is sometimes referred to as HVAC. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI-certified HVAC installation contractor in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County that has been providing HVAC installation services of different types of HVAC systems, such as heating and air conditioning split system, hybrid heat split system, duct-free HVAC, and packaged HVAC system. We have been installing residential HVAC systems and commercial HVAC systems for over 10 years. Our HVAC installation services will include heating, improved air conditioning, smart thermostat, and improved indoor air quality. We offer affordable HVAC installation services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.